Easy English Conversation Practice. By Teddy Bear's Story Time. Family Dining Out. Good evening. Good evening. Welcome to Pizza Italia. How many in your party? There are 4 of us. Excellent, please follow me to your table. The family followed. At the table. Good evening. Here are the menus. Can I start you off with some drinks? Yes, 1 orange juice, 1 Coke, 1 cider and 1 beer, please. Of course, I'll bring those right away. After serving the drinks. Here are your drinks. Ready to order? We'll have a plate of bruschetta and salad to start, please. Excellent choice. I'll put that in for you. Also, we'd like a margherita pizza and pepperoni pizza for the kids in the kids menu. A spaghetti carbonara for my husband, and I'll have the beef lasagna, please. Got it. Your order will be out shortly. After enjoying the meals. Is everything all right? I hope you enjoyed your meals. Would you like any desserts or coffees? We're quite full, thank you. Just the bill, please. Sure thing, I'll bring that over. After paying the bill. Thank you for a lovely meal. You're welcome. Have a wonderful evening. Have a wonderful evening. As they leave the restaurant, satisfied with their meal. Easy English Conversation Practice. By Teddy Bear's Story Time. Friends Cafe Hangout. Hey Lindsay. So good to see you, it's been ages. I know, right? It's been too long. How have you been? Not too bad, just navigating through the ups and downs. How about yourself? Hanging in there, you know how it is. By the way, the weather today is surprisingly nice, isn't it? Absolutely. It's a pleasant change from the rain we've had. Makes you want to spend the day outside. Definitely. Speaking of which, any exciting plans for the weekend? Nothing concrete yet, but I'm considering exploring that new art exhibition at the gallery. What about you? I'm thinking of checking out a new movie that's been getting rave reviews. Though, I wouldn't mind a bit of downtime at home too. Sounds like a plan. Oh, have you tried the desserts here? They're supposed to be amazing. No, not yet. Maybe we should indulge a little today, what do you say? I'm up for it. Let's get a slice of that famous chocolate cake and New York cheesecake. Agreed. Hey, did you hear about Sarah's new job? She's working for that tech company downtown. Oh, really? That's fantastic news. I should give her a call, it's been a while since we caught up. Definitely. It's always great to hear about friends doing well. By the way, have you been watching that new series everyone's talking about? Not yet, but I've heard good things. Maybe I'll give it a try this weekend. I binged the entire season last week. It's addictive. You should watch it sometime. Absolutely. I'll make it a plan for next week. Oh, look at the time, I've got to head off. But let's set a date to catch up soon. For sure. Enjoy your weekend, and let's definitely make time for that catch-up. Take care. You too, bye for now. Bye. The end. Enjoyed it? Show your love by giving the video a thumbs up. Interested in mastering more English conversation? Subscribe to Teddy Bear's Story Time for further learning. Activate the notifications to receive the latest updates, news.